Hey everyone, thanks for checking out the ViTAC Everyday Carry Kit. All right, this thing is meant to save your life if you're ever in a tactical situation during the day. All right, everything in here is meant to save your life. You can see we got cat tourniquet, we got an ace wrapped for a pressure dressing, we have compressed gauze and a pair of gloves if you're working on someone other than you. But back here is really the big stuff. This is going to be your twin pack of vented chest seals for you, as well as quick clot combat gauze to really stop that clotting and prevent you from bleeding any further so you can get to your next level of care. This kit will save your life when it's in peril. All right, as you can see, you can rip it right off. You can take it with you somewhere. You can rip it off and work on yourself. I have another mount right there up on my visor for this kit. Same thing, just easy access to whatever you're going. So again, thanks for checking us out. Thanks for checking out the ViTAC Everyday Carry First Aid Kit.